Okay, let's start it. First of all, I saw you that my window is not activated. Right.
Here also you can see that. And in setting and activation, you can see that it is shows window is not activated, and also error details. Okay, there are many other options. Then class. First of all, download Microsoft Toolkit from the given link section in the system. Then download open it. Also other proof. Okay, download it and open. Then see this window button and press click on this window button, and you saw that there is a open menu box. After that, select KMS server, install it. I have already installed it. You have to install it. Okay. Then go to product keys. Then we have to install another version which is already installed. Okay. So choose your Windows and their type versions. Okay, then uninstall it. If you don't uninstall, then you can see that here so error is not found, so that you have to uninstall that. After uninstall, you go to activation, and then you have to click on HIII activator, which is at the corner of the menu bar. Okay, I just click on HIII activator, and the process is start to activate window. After a few seconds, it saw the notification on its black screen that your window is
here you can see that it shows that window is activated, and we can also prove that after going setting menu, we cannot see activation notification in the setting menu. So it is useful trick to active any windows. You can use it. If you not like this video, please comment in comment box so that I can do something better. If you face any problem by this trick, then comment in comment box and tell me about your problem, then I can solve it. Okay, bye bye.